Hello, my dear esteemed viewer. Thank you so much for tuning into this channel and watching the first video that is dedicated to the mentoring, apart from the first introductory video that was done a week ago. In this part of this video, we'll be discussing what started on the first introductory video. I remember I'm pledged to discuss 3 things that anyone, anywhere in the world can consider. If you're not doing that, then that means you are not working the path of realizing your destiny. And this first mentoring video will feature one of those key areas, and that is called, one of them is possessing the sense of responsibility, possessing a sense of focus, developing a sense of mission on what you want to do or what you want to achieve. Here we can understand everyone in the world that's making impact in the world today must have developed a sense of mission and is working towards it. Now, you can say, how do I develop a sense of mission? So if you are the one who can ask this kind of question, you are not lost, you are not, that's not a bad question. It just makes you to realize that at least once this time around, you really want to get it right. Sense of mission, and not asking the right question. Now to address this question in this video, I would like to give you a practical example. I think, for instance, you are on a journey, maybe to a country. You and I understand that you have a place which will be your final destination. So all your mindset will be targeting to stop in that particular destination. Even when the flight stop in the halfway, no, you won't lighten there. You'll still move on with your journey until you get a final destination. So the sense of mission actually gives you, fuel you, it directs you, keep pushing you even in the moment of difficult situation. It keeps pushing you and drive you to your goal. So this sense of mission is drive from your own, what you intend, the long run result you want to achieve. So anyone, any kid, young, adult, you need to possess the sense of mission. And this sense of mission is cultivated from what you actually have within you, not outside you. Because for you to drive to fullest potential of your destiny, you need to also have this sense of where you are heading to. You can look at it in practical way. In some religion aspect of it, you can see, like when Jesus Christ was crucified on the cross, he, despite the pain, he endured on the cross because he realized that end of the day he will have the glory. The glory will come to the glory he will possess. So because of that glory, he also has a sense of mission that he's here to pay the price, because at the end of the day, the glory will become unto him. So that also applies in actualizing one potential in life. You need to have that mentality of where you are heading to, and that fuels your daily plans, that fuels what you are doing despite the hurdles of life. We must acknowledge that in a way, for someone to actualize destiny in life, there's always a path, a tough route to follow, but that sense of mission keep you focused. It keep you going, keep encouraging you, make you to always take step forward and not neglect what you're heading to. So a lot of teenagers, a lot of adults, when you lost this particular set of mission, you can actually be float in the environment. The environment can also make you discourage you from moving ahead. Despite the situation you are facing now, despite the circumstances around you, that does not make you to subdue or to lose focus. Once you lose focus of where you're heading to, your journey, you already head into no direction. So as a predetermined someone who wants to actualize any mission on earth, don't respect, in respect of what your mission is, first you need to have the sense of purpose, sense of mission, and that should be always with you. In everything you do, in decision you take every day, is also fuel it. It may sound difficult, as a speaker, sometimes in life you can face different situations, different circumstances. Of course, it will come, but it's only there to make you, make you more stronger. It equally give you a stepping stone for you to rise up. That does not mean when you fall, you won't rise. No, even though when there's a situation that make you to shift from it. But if you still have this sense of mission, you always come back to the track. So this is what we for you. In the secular world today, in different situations, you see people making exploits. It is because they have what they're heading to. Even in the Christian kingdom, those people who are making exploit, they have the sense of mission. And equally, this sense of mission engender and increase you and influence you on your daily plans. So this sense of mission cut across different sphere of life. So in respect of your discipline, in respect of what your mission, your goal, your final goal is on earth, be science, business, you must have the sense of mission, what you want to accomplish. That is the first ticket you must hold for you that will drive you to where you hope to arrive. And I hope you are watching this video, you made to this point, you have already gotten this first key, that if you're not having it, that means you're not walking in line with your destiny. But this good news is you already have it today, and no matter how the world press on you, you can always move with your sense of mission, and you never get defeated. You always make headway. Once you have this sense of mission where you're heading to, then your journey is soon to be concluded. You are about to launch a new phase of your life. You are about to make an exploit. Well, this is just the message I want to pass on this first video. In summary, I want to recap again. As someone in science, in entrepreneurship, or in a capital market, you should set your goal of mission. Don't take action because of situation around you, or don't make decision because of what you perceive is circumstance around you. Every action you take or every step you took should be based on your sense of purpose, and that is what will drive you to a fruitful result. It is practicable, it's realistic, and if you can put it at work, go out this week and begin to align your plans with a sense of mission, and don't settle for less of that. And I assure you that this video, if you put it to work, you will make it, you will arrive at that point you intended. Thank you so much for making it to this end of this video. Please, if you are not subscribed to the channel, please do so. As our next video, we'll be talking about the second point you must have for you to begin to align with your proper destiny on earth. It's my pleasure to have you with me. Have a wonderful day.